What's going on, you guys? I have a Dell Optiplex 7080. This is the small form factor. Gonna be upgrades. So I'm gonna switch to the other side. So you're gonna click on here to the little tab in the left corner. You're gonna slide to the left. So guys, the upgrades I'm gonna be doing is video card, RAM, solid state drive. So I have to remove the front cover basil. Before I do that, I'm gonna have to go ahead and remove the. I'm gonna be upgrading to Samsung. I'm gonna close this up. Hold on. And this is a 500 gig. And you actually can get this through Amazon. And also, I did buy the heatsink for the solid state drive. They basically sell different seller, different model number, but they're the same heatsinks. I'm gonna show you guys. And they also sell this on Amazon. I buy. So look at that. See, this one comes with the screw, and it comes with the thermal pads also. And so the other one is just different model number, but it's the same heatsink. See that? Not much difference. So I'm just going to install this one then. This one also comes with little mini screws for it. So first what I will do is remove that one that came with it. Just go ahead, use my Phillips head. And I'm gonna install before I install the Samsung, I have to install the heatsink first. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. This is the heat pad, thermal pads, I'm gonna install them. So it comes with 3, but all you need is just 2. And the way you're gonna install it, you can install. Before you do that, you have to remove both sides. You have to peel it. It's like a sticker. You have to peel on both sides out before you install the thermal pads. Huh. It's hard to remove them. Okay, so. So what I will do is I'm just going to install in the heatsink. And you probably have to cut it out a little piece because it's a little bit too much. Just like that. And you have to do the other side also. You're gonna peel it, but what you're gonna do is this one I'm gonna peel both sides. I'm gonna install it, so it'll be a lot easier. So I'm gonna install it first before you peel the other side. You get it? Because when you peel both sides, it's hard to install it. I'm gonna go like this. That's good enough. Now you're gonna go ahead and. So it's a little bit too much. It's not the right size. I'm gonna cut it out with a knife. And you're gonna peel it off. You see, like that. Now you're gonna go ahead and install it like this. That's good enough. Now you gotta install the screws, 3 in here and 3 in the top, bottom and top. And you see this little turn pad right here? You gotta remove it. Take it off before you install. And I'm gonna install the screws on it. Comes with so yeah, the screws that come with it, you can't even use this screwdriver. Let me try this other ones. It's too big. I'm gonna try the other ones quick. See if it works. Huh. So let me go in and use this screwdriver also that comes with it. Because that one's too big, It's way too big. One. 2. 3. 5. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna get this last one. Hmm. Six. And check each side. That's good. Install it. Go back. Okay, I have to go to the other side, sorry. I'll go back. Heatsink's installed. Now what I will do is I'm gonna upgrade the RAM. It's got only 8 gigs. It's a DDR4 it's using the match pair. And you're gonna install first one on the DIMM 1 and the DIMM 2, the Y ones. Make a dual channel. It's got 32 gigs of RAM. And let me go ahead and I'm gonna put this back. So the second one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the PCIe bracket here, install the video card. Also, you will need pliers to remove you see this PCIe bracket low profile? It's in the case, you can't remove it with your fingers, so you have to use the pliers to remove it. So yeah guys, the video card that I have here is GTX 1650. They come with both with the low profile and the full height bracket. And also I buy the GT 1030. If you can't get the GT 1650, you can get this one. This one's also pretty good. It's got comes with the low profile bracket, and this is also with the GDDR5. They also have a GDDR4, but it's a slow video card. It's the same price. I wouldn't even buy it. So this comes also with the low profile bracket. It's gonna be minimum if you're gonna be installing this computer. I would say it comes with both DisplayPort and HDMI. So I'm going to install the GTX 1650. I'm just going to switch the other side like this so you guys can see better. Video card is installed. Also, what I will do is I'm going to install the 3.5-inch hard drive. And to do that, they also sell this on Amazon. It's a 2 terabyte. So move this plastic bracket. And you're going to install it like this. It's a toolless. And what I'll do, I'm going to plug in the SATA power cable. And I'm going to install the front cover basil. And the side cover panel. So this is what you guys have to do. It's kind of tricky here. So when you install it back, you see this line right here? You have to align the side cover panel right here with this line before you install it, because you can't install it here. See, so you have to do a line here where there's a little cover here line. It shows arrow. Then this is where you install the side cover panel right here where the line is at. Then it closes. And this is how it's gonna look in the back. The video card. And guys, be the last part I forgot to show you guys what I buy is they also sell this on Amazon. This is a USB adapter for the Wi-Fi wireless. It's an AC. So they sell also this on Amazon, but it's a generic and there's no model number on it. So I'll put a link. You guys can buy it. And just a USB like that, pretty cool with antenna. And you're just gonna plug it right in the back. It's using the USB 2.0. So it's like if you don't want to use the gigabit Ethernet port, then you can use the Wi-Fi wireless like that. It's pretty cool. You know, complete. So for gaming. And also, you guys, you can install the fan in the front for the better airflow. So guys, this has been the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.